Fairytale Castle. Do you know the way?
I know our way.
We know a way there. It might not be the quickest, but life's about the journey, not the destination. Let's get on my bike. Bonjour. Little pit stop. Only want to get a little drink, but you have to take a trolley. Look, little pit stop, get it? Well, that's my shopping done. Kim, your trolley is absolutely full.
Yeah.
What have you got inside?
It's a pizza and some
Some
bananas.
bananas. We've come across this little roadside barbecue. Great way to spend a Wednesday lunchtime. Look, they've got hamburgers, hot dogs, tortillas, escargot. You know what escargot are?
No.
Snails.
Snails.
Fancy some snails?
No, now I remember. It's the last time I got super sick.
€5 for 8. Ah, that seems like a good value for me. So next time you see some snails on the ground, why not pick them up? They might be worth €5. Got some guys over there drinking beers. Nice way to spend the first sunny days of spring. The Cercle de Regatte de Bruxelles, the Circle of Regattas of Brussels. I guess where people who own fancy boats come to socialise. Even in this difficult time, they manage to stand outside, share a few beers. Kim's got a beer, he's gone for a classic left.
It was either that or ukulele.
Yeah, those onions look delicious, look at those.
€5 for a burger, and then this super chill area burger, and if you're lucky you can have a beer for only $2.50.
Kim has decided to wash his tyres. Let's hope he doesn't end up in the water. Oh look, your tyres look so clean now, man. You look a bit deep there. You're cleaning your suspension as well.
Route 66.
We're on the historic Route 66. You don't need to travel far from Brussels to find international landmarks. Yeah, some of the roads are a bit bumpy for my city bike. I wouldn't mind a suspension.
We found the tower though. It's pretty tall.
Big space age tower near Hull. Google it. It would be quite fun to climb, I think. Imagine the view from the top. See the whole of Belgium, I'm sure.
Road.
Oh, we're going on this road.
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at this mud. Great fun. Kim on his nice mountain bike can go through easily, but I'm struggling a bit. A whole Belgian cycling team just overtook us. I feel like we were in the lead of the race for a little bit. Oudenaarken Church. What have they got? White bread.
But no beer.
Brown bread. Whole grain bread.
Yeah, I have to go for that one, I guess. Visegrad. I mean,
Change.
what's the number?
It's number
4. No, 3. So I just pressed 3. And so I didn't get that bread. I got a different one. And there was, of course, no change. I think now I can open it. Maybe I have to put. Yeah.
Oh,
See? You can go inside.
wow! It's like
And
entering an automatic bakery.
there's a change actually.
There's your change.
10 cents.
There we go. Yeah, let's have a look at
Oh,
this.
oh, it's sliced.
It's
super
pre-sliced already. Wow, it even slices it for you.
Look. Super nice.
Oh, there's a John Deere tractor.
My favorites are, of course, the Lamborghinis.
We got away from the bus driver.
Did you hear he was shouting?
No.
Hello, Antonio.
Let's see if we can find Kim some aardappels, some earth apples, also known as potatoes.
You want 5 kilos and 3.
Oh, they've got different types of potato. 30 eggs for €8.
Do you reckon I could carry it home without breaking 10 eggs?
I think you could, but I think we're going to be cycling really, really
And
slowly.
you've seen me. So I don't think it's a good idea. But it also takes notes. Probably give me some change. I should be able to carry 2 kilos. Or maybe it has to be the
Maybe
right.
not yours.
It worked.
Yes! Wow!
On the 25, and it gave me also changes in my backpack.
Oh wow, look.
Can't wait to clean them. Bananas.
Kim's just spent the last half an hour reloading his bag. We've made it to the promised land of Gaasbeek. It's a nice little village here in Gaspec. If you come to the only restaurant in Gaspec, it seems. It's closed on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, so yeah, come another day.
And try the other door.
Try the other door on another day.
We can do that fast.
Often in my videos, when I get outside of Brussels and go into Flanders, the flat provinces around the main, around the big city, I talk about how flat the land is. But here today I'm finding out why Gaspec Castle is built where it is. And it's because it's at the top of a hill. Ah, it looks like we found the entrance to the castle. Or at least the castle's grounds.
I don't think they like us bicycling.
Shall we park up there? We found a brasserie at the entrance to the castle grounds, so let's see if we can get a little bit of wine to take with us down to the castle. Thank you, Olivia. Kim asked for a primus and they've given him a Jupiler. He's been mugged off at Gaspec Castle, just like me in Mechelen. Well,
cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate.
Now we're going to check out Castle. Did you know, like, it's from 1240, and then they teared it down because there was some wars, and then they built it up again in the 16th century.
Spring has arrived in Gaspec. You can see the giant daisies. There's some restoration or renovation works going on. Oh, it really is like a fairy tale, look. The big moat around it.
The first part of this tower was built in 1240 to defend the Duchy of Brabant against the County of Flanders. Probably didn't look like this back then, and at one point it was totally teared down and then rebuilt. This looks like a great place to defend your people on the top of a hill like this.
Oh, there's a gargoyle.
This one has wings.
Your wine grows here apparently. Every year you can try wine from Gaasbeek. If all goes well, then the first bottles will come about in 2021. It doesn't look like it's going so well to me at the moment, but it's March.
It makes me sad to see all these ponds and waters all around Belgium, and you can't swim in them. It's too dirty, the water is. Did you know that ivy is a parasite of a plant? They will take over the tree, kill it, but it looks so nice. This looks like maybe the only sun the prisoner will get. This is the balcony for in the prison cell.
So if you're a prisoner in this castle, you wait until the sun comes, and then once a day, I guess for, I don't know, 20-30 minutes, you'll have sun on your little balcony.
Well, they would probably not bring you over when it's sunny.
Yeah.
Probably only when it's raining or snowing. I feel like having a swim,
It's a bit chilly for that, but I'm not a Scandi like you. So. Now I've managed to spot some ducks. There's a big shiny gold thing. It has these like fake bricks on it. The bricks don't fit in with the other bricks. The Peasant Wedding, 2019, so it's a bit of modern art. Oh, it's a gift from the Embassy of the Netherlands.
Looks like every building in England. Now I feel kind of stupid. We are these rule followers, and then you have these guys.
What, who bring their bikes in? These two are doing shisha on a little picnic blanket.
One of the few bars in Belgium still open.
Food, drink and desserts to eat in or take away. Well, you can't eat in, so
Also said
their advertising needs a bit of updating, I think.
pizza.
Time to head back to Brussels. Lovely little trip out. Really enjoyed it. Great cycle ride. A nice, easy day out, either by bus or by bike. Come and check it out. Wherever you are in the world, take care, look after yourselves.